Welcome to Crypterium. On this video we'll take a look at how to pass the identity verification process. First, you'll need to click on the Profile tab. Then choose Increase Limits. Now click on Start. Here you'll need to enter your personal details, first name, last name, and country of residence. Then press Confirm. Now that you've verified your personal details, scroll up to begin your identity verification process. Click on Start Verification. These are the steps you'll have to take to get through this stage of the process. When you're ready, press Start Verification. Here you'll just need to press Start. Now just follow the instructions to take a selfie. After you complete the photo recognition, you will automatically be taken to the next part. Now you'll just need to select the document type you wish to identify yourself with. We recommend using a passport with Latin letters as your verification document. It is necessary that all parts of your document, as picture, first name, surname, and MRZ code, are clearly visible within the borders. When your passport is within the borders, take the picture. Then press Upload. Your request has now been submitted. The verification normally takes 10 minutes. You will be notified by email upon the successful verification. If something is wrong with your verification, you will receive an email with the recommendations to resubmit the documents in the app. If you fail to pass the verification process 3 times, we recommend contacting our support team for further assistance. And that's how to pass the identity verification process. Enjoy using your Crypterium app.